I'm going to be playing Blox Fruits, mostly because even though I haven't played it very often, and I played a lot off screen. Yeah, so today I decided to go CB something, but like, guess where that got me. So here's what we're gonna do. We're going to grind up a little bit and try to get our bounty to my bounty to at least 3 mil today, and get $1 million. So yeah, trying to get $1 million bounty, and I don't feel like calculating right now, so I'm just gonna say we still got a lot to go. And what better place to start than the training dummy right here? So yeah, we're just great fruit for this. Super easy. Plus you get quite a bit of money from it and some fragments. So, but you can only do this once an hour. So, yeah, there's that. So, I'm just gonna grind till I can get to my next quest, which would be somewhere here. It would be up there. Yeah. So, yeah. I may also try to get my PvP a little better because I suck at PvP. Ooh. I need ice. I also did Blackbeard. Or rather, don't forget. Yeah, so Dragon Crew Archer, then I get to go to my next set of quests. And yes, I'm using Magma because I was hunting sea beasts earlier. I feel pretty bad. Couldn't find a single sea beast either, so yeah. Oh, these guys are good. I didn't know that, so that's annoying. I'm just bad. Helps us check off one thing on the list. There's probably gonna be like no bugs whatsoever. Yeah. Oh, single level up. That's just beautiful. Okay, so, well, we're gonna do that quest one more time. Last time, 15k. Honestly, if I just stayed and did quests the entire... Honestly, I think I'd be max level if I had actually started filming sooner. I think I would have been like way past max. Ooh. God, that's annoying when it does. Just get stuck in the floor. No. We will not be having that. It makes me so mad because it's so annoying. Why? I understand that the developers of this game had a lot to do. It's a simple fix. Plus, it gets so annoying when there's dragons blue archers just in the floor. Waste of an ability. Just because of the sheer amount that you have to pay. Oh, finally. Got out of that freaking quest. Sadly, I know where the quest is. Mostly because I had a different fruit at the time and had to get mastery up on it. Oh, of course it doesn't. Ain't that just beautiful? The one time I need to use it. Just not working. That's nice. Finally. I just saw the giant arrow. Oh, found it. Yeah. what they died, what people all the way up, like people from World War I are seeing you do now, versus what they had to do. You look at someone, and then you think about like what their family did for them. Like their grandfather or grandmother could have been like a World War veteran. They wouldn't know. Hold on, wait a minute. Bro doesn't even have art. Bro, what? That don't make no sense. Yay, 13,000. Hold up, wait a minute. Hold up, wait a minute. Is that that's less than what? That's less than the last quest. What? That doesn't make sense. You know what's really funny? The final boss in First Sea gave more than this. Like, not more XP, but more money. I get that it was a boss, but like, bruh. It's Third Sea, level 127. Or 125. Honestly, I don't even know why I do this at this point. Like, I just go down here for no reason. And I just absolutely demolish all of the ghosts down here. And then I try to pull out the Let's see. Can I do it for once in my life? I'm gonna do it anyhow. I'm probably gonna die. Yep. Who's Minecraft Maniac? Who the? Oh. Hold up, wait. Excuse me, what? Since when did he have that much bounty? Like, that actually surprises me so much. I didn't realize bro had that much bounty. Where even is... He gets summon Sea Beast now. What is the max? Oh yeah, sniffles. My nose is itchy. I forgot what the max bounty was. I think it was like 30 mil. He's very close to that. Let's try and go Sea Beast hunting. Where's that? Oh. It's Odin. Odin! My pathetic little fellow. Imagine being named after a Greek god, and then you're just sleeping on the floor like in like a blankie. You're just chilling. It's adorable, like, bruh. Okay, so let's try somebody. So I really wish I had more instinct. That way I could see what people used and how strong they were. But the fact that my boat's still here is hilarious. Yeah, I really hope. I hope that there isn't just a sea beast that just leaves me alone. I hope there's a sea beast that just leaves me alone. But hey, when I don't want to fight a sea beast spawns. So that's beautiful. Big tree. Big tree. So how's y'all day going? Because mine is pretty good. And if you actually watch my videos, thank you. Because I could start making more content. And once I hit 50, I will be making a lot more content because I'll be able to stream. So I can stream what's going on, like what I'm doing or whatever. And I don't know if I'm allowed to. Are people allowed to do Twitch while also doing YouTubers? I don't know. I think that's a yes. Especially with small like people with like under like 1 million, pretty sure. I don't know, so don't quote me. It takes so long to get here. Imagine if I roll Kitsune, but I probably won't. Probably shouldn't roll right now, honestly. Oh yeah, I forgot I'm just a human right now. Because I wanted to get my Shark V2 back so I could swim. And swimming is faster than the normal boats, so yeah. Who's amazing blazing? I want to fight them. To the mansion. My nose is itchy. Store, oh, there's cigars, where's that? So, I could enable Yellow Sunshine, Fiery Rose, which is the one I have on right now. So I only have 2 auras right now. That's it. Honestly, I think this one looks better. Should I roll? Should I roll? No, I should not. Honestly, I have horrible fruits right now. I don't even know why I traded my dough. I used to have a dough, and I feel so stupid for trading that. Yeah, this is what I got my dog fragment from whatever his name is. Darkbeard or something. Blackbeard, yeah. I have 15s. I used to have like 20 fruits. Oh wait, actually I don't have spoon. Yeah, okay, so the max is 30 now. I would like it if I could. Bounty. My friend just okay. People are just popping off left and right, okay? God dang. 14, 17? What? I must. How does he? Hey! Both. Probably even strong enough to think about killing. I really just want Kitsune at this point, bro. I understand how long it takes. I'm just... I'm an idiot. It's confirmed. I'm an idiot. I'm stupid. Oh my god. And he is there. Oh, that's beautiful. I'm stupid. I'm just stupid. Honestly, I'm gonna collect these chests and go back to where I was. Because I need to get that quest, whatever that quest was. There's a quest in a tree somewhere. That's where it just was, but I'm stupid. So gotta get a boat. A boat. I really miss having Shark Bait too, but it's okay. It's really not okay. I'm just but snapping straight. It's just man. I don't even know how long I've had this for. It's probably been like 5 minutes at least, like 10. Maybe 15. I don't know, bro. And then I have to go back to port to get the... I have to get, because there's a quest revolving around stone. Back where I just was, and now I'm gonna get that quest. How much bounty does my group have? I have more bounty than my leader, who is max level. I have the most bounty in my crew, even though I'm the third strongest. Why does he just recruit anyone? I think they might be his friends. One's 518, that person's close to the next stage, or second seed, should call it. I don't even know what this quest does, honestly. I think it might maybe, I don't know, get me like an aura skin. Ow, I just pulled hair. I was biting it. Rubber band around my hand. To get to that tall tree. It has a tree house in it. This entire game is up to something and I can't remember what. Also, I'm really sad because one of my favorite games had to rebrand its entire thing because it was too close to the actual game. So, it was Pride today. I swear to God, if somebody kills me while I'm trying to get this gosh dang quest, I'm gonna murder someone. Wait, talk to him again. Oh, hell no. Why do I gotta... What? Brr. Swear to God, if I have to come back here to get another quest, I'm gonna kill someone. I really just hope that this is like a one and done thing. Unless it's for an aura, because I'm pretty sure this may or may not be. Behold, there was a glitch HP, and needless to say, because and all of my other teammates died, so. so annoying to be. Oh, sorry. 100 fragments and 30k. Oh, I only need 500,000. Please don't tell me this is a continuous quest. Am I blind? What? I keep hearing Madara when I jump. Like what? It's mostly because I'm thinking of his name while jumping. So it makes it sound like it's like making a noise that says Madara. I'm saying at this point, bro. Slowly going insane. Promise you I'm not this weird. That's a lot, but what? The indestructible. If I can find a blue chest and it gives like 10k, I could just farm that a bunch. Like I could just server hop. If you got as much gold from the chest that you would from like, so as soon as you get into a new sea, every chest is the exact same amount of money to you in like all the seas, and then once you get to that next sea, it's then the same amount of money as it is in there as all seas, which would make Sky Island or Skypiea, whatever you want to call it, overpowered. Because if you're in third sea, those things are 5,000. 5 times 8 is 40. So that's $40,000 if you get 5k per chest. And if those was blue chest, I don't know how much a blue chest gives, but I think it's like maybe like 9 to 10k. So you'd probably get like 80, maybe like 72,000. From 72 to 80,000, I believe. Because that's going to be 9,000 times 8 is God. I did say I'm gonna get to at least one of those two things. But if anything, I lost bounty, so I can kick this back up later. So, but for now, this is part 1 of my journey of getting to 3 million bounty, $1 million in Block Street. So, see ya. Have a nice night.